In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Envato password. By following these steps, you will regain access to your account quickly. Start by navigating to the Envato login page. Once there, locate the link labeled Forgot Password, positioned just below the login fields. Clicking this link will redirect you to the password reset page, which is where the recovery process begins. It is essential to ensure that you are on the phishing attempts. After arriving at the password reset page, you will see a field requesting your email address. Enter the email associated with your Envato account accurately in this field. A correct entry is vital, as this is how you will receive the reset instructions. Once you have entered your email address, proceed by clicking the submit button. It is advisable to check both your inbox and spam folder for the password reset email shortly after submitting your request. Once you find the email from Envato, open it and locate the password reset link included within. Clicking on this link will redirect you to a new page specifically designed for creating a new password. On this page, you will be prompted to enter a new password. Choose a strong and secure password that meets the security guidelines. After entering your new password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. After confirming the new password, look for the option to save changes. Clicking this will update your account with the new password. Once this step is complete, you can return to the Envato login page and log in using your newly created password. This process ensures that your account remains secure while allowing you to regain access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.